I'm Vishakha. Welcome back to my channel Maple Life Guide. In today's video, I'll guide you how to trim your video using CapCut. So select the video that you want to edit using this import button. Drag your video here till this point. When I'm mouse hovering here, you can see the icon is already being changed. You can zoom in and out your video using the plus and minus icon here visible. So it will be easy for you to edit the contents of your video very nicely. So let's say I want to delete this part of the video, the blackout portion where nothing is visible. So just click and hold this line and just drag a little bit. And click the split button. And now click and hold this line till the point where you want to delete the video, trim the video. So let's say if I want to delete the video till this point and release the cursor. And again click the split button. As you can see, we press the split button 2 points from the starting point and then till the end point. Now we already selected the portion what we want to trim. So you can see when I'm mouse hovering here, you can see the two cursors visible here. Just click and select this portion and click on the delete button. So this portion is already being deleted. This is one of the easiest way to trim the video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing my channel and stay tuned with me for more videos.